What if a system you don't understand is already making decisions that affect your life? That's no longer hypothetical. AI is deciding what gets approved, what gets rejected, and sometimes what gets done automatically. And here's the problem. We're starting to rely on those decisions without really knowing why they were made. Because once AI starts deciding for us, a mistake can become a real consequence. The moment AI moves from giving advice to influencing action, everything changes. A bad chatbot answer is annoying, but a bad decision inside hiring, finance, or healthcare is something else entirely. So the question is shifting. It's no longer just about how powerful AI is. It's about whether it's entering critical decisions faster than we can control it. Here's the uncomfortable part. If AI sounds confident, people assume it's correct. But confidence is not understanding. These systems generate likely answers based on patterns. Sometimes, the result looks perfect even when the reasoning is flawed. And that creates a dangerous shortcut. If it looks right, we trust it. Now, put that into a real system. Imagine a hiring manager using AI to filter candidates. The system rejects someone instantly. The result looks clean, efficient, professional. But when the candidate wants to know why, even the company may struggle to explain it clearly. Now scale that to loans, insurance, or medical decisions. At that point, the problem isn't just accuracy, it's accountability. Who can inspect it? Who can challenge it? Who can reverse it? The real problem with AI isn't intelligence, it's whether it's safe to trust. Once you see that, a lot of company behavior makes more sense. They're no longer just building smarter models. They're building systems that can be monitored, controlled, and stopped. Because trust is no longer a feature. It decides whether AI can enter finance, healthcare, or sensitive data, and whether it can scale at all. So trust is becoming infrastructure. Not physical infrastructure, but institutional infrastructure. It's becoming the layer that decides what AI is allowed to do. For most people, this won't feel like better AI. It will feel personal. You apply for a job, no response. You apply for a loan, rejected instantly. You open an app, everything is already filtered. No explanation. Sometimes no appeal. And often, you don't even know AI made the decision. So what can you actually do? You may not be able to fix the system itself, but you can change how you respond to it. If the decision matters, don't stop at the first result. Look for a human review path. Try another platform, another institution, or another channel. And don't assume an automated system is neutral. Because once AI is involved, rejection doesn't always mean final truth. Sometimes it just means you've hit one system, not the whole system. So here's the takeaway. As AI becomes more powerful, don't just ask how smart it is. Ask whether it deserves your trust. Can it explain the decision? Can a human override it? And if it fails, is anyone actually responsible? Because in the end, the future of AI won't be defined by intelligence alone. It will be defined by trust.